Number 3. Mrs. Koval's class voted on a location for a field trip. Don't get your hopes up, kids. So what we know is 2/3 of the class voted for the Salt Museum. 1/4 of the class voted for the Bronx Zoo. And the rest of her class voted for the Ithaca Gorges. I don't know. It doesn't give me a fraction, so I'm going to put a question mark. What fraction of the class voted for the Ithaca Gorges? Uh-oh, that's my unknown. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. I know I'm going to have 3 sections. This is not to scale. I know 2/3 is my Salt Museum. I know 1/4 is my Bronx Zoo. And I know this is going to be my Ithaca Gorges, but I don't know it. So I know my whole is 1 class. So we can solve this many ways. The first way we're going to solve is using addition. So I'm going to take what I know, which is my 2/3 and my 1/4, and I'm going to combine them. So I'm going to figure out how many kids or what fraction of my class wanted to go to the Salt Museum and the Bronx Zoo. Well, I need to get a common denominator. So 3 and 4 has 12 in common. Times 4, what I do in the denominator, I do in the numerator. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. What I do in the denominator, I do in the numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to add 8 plus 3 is 12. But remember, this is my Salt Museum and my Bronx Zoo. So how can I use that to figure out my Ithaca Gorges? Well, how many students are in my class? Look at that denominator. I have 12 students based on this fractional part. So how many are left? Because it says the rest of her class. So how many are left in my class if 11/12 want to go to Salty Syracuse and the Bronx Zoo? There's only 1 left. So the Ithaca Gorges has to be 1/12 because that's all that left. 11 plus 1 is 12/12. That's my whole class. So 1/12 has to be the Ithaca Gorges. Now there's one more way that I'm thinking that we may have solved it. And that's with subtraction. I could have said Mrs. Koval's 1 class, and I'm going to take away the Salt Museum and the Bronx Zoo. So I'm going to do 2/3 plus 1/4 because I'm taking away those 2 field trip options. So it's the same process. 1 minus, so it's going to be 8/12 plus 3/12. Well, 1 minus 11/12. Well, I'm going to convert that 1 whole into a fraction. So I know my denominator has to be 12. So for 1 whole and my denominator be 12, what do we know? The numerator has to be 12. It's got to be the same. So 12/12 minus 11/12. So 12 minus my Salt Museum and my Bronx Zoo is equal to 12 minus 11 is 1/12. So that must be my Ithaca Gorges. So we can solve it either doing addition and in figuring out in our head what that last section is, or I can subtract the whole from the parts I know, and that will give me immediately the rest of my class. Make sure you showed your work, whether you did the addition option or the subtraction option. Either way is correct.